Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Honda Fit. First, let's prepare. You'll need a 17mm wrench, an oil drain pan, and a funnel. Make sure you have 3.8 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil and a new oil filter. Safety is paramount, so always use ramps or sturdy jack stands to elevate your vehicle on a flat, stable surface before starting any work underneath. With your vehicle safely elevated, warm up the engine for about 5 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more thoroughly. Now, locate the oil drain plug on the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your 17mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Let the old oil drain completely into the pan, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Once the oil has drained, remove the old oil filter, being careful of any remaining oil. Always check that the old filter's rubber gasket isn't stuck to the engine block. Before installing your new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter, then give it an extra 3/4 of a turn. Reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 29 foot-pounds. Now, using a clean funnel, add 3.8 quarts of fresh 0W20 synthetic oil into the engine's oil fill cap. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 3 minutes to circulate the new oil and fill the filter. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes, then check the oil level using the dipstick. Ensure the level is between the minimum and maximum marks. Finally, remember to properly dispose of your used oil.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.